I believe this is your website. Yeah, the reason that I'm recording this video for you is that I'm being trained in website design and I want to show you a website that you might like. Okay, this is the website. Yeah. My boss figures that an agency could get like 1200 to $1,500 or more for a website like this. Yeah, I would like to add your photos in this gallery link, in this link. And I would add your contact details on this link together with the map on the side. And if you have any other information about the services that you are offering, we can also add it here on this link. Yes, and of course about the company, we can add it here. Now, if this website would be good for you, please do me a favor and hit a reply and let me know. If not, no big deal. Oh, I forgot to mention, my name is Julie, and I am working at Agent Boomer Marketing in Red Tier. Yeah, talk to you soon.